Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about the 6 miraculous cures of garlic in our body, without any side effect. Garlic belongs to the genus Allium and is closely related to the onion. It has been used by humans for thousands of years, and was used in ancient Egypt for both culinary purposes and its health and therapeutic benefits. Below are some of the health benefits of garlic. Garlic is widely used for several conditions linked to the blood system and heart, including atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, high cholesterol, heart attack, coronary heart disease, hypertension, and treatment of different kinds of cancers. Number 1. For brain cancer. Organosulfur compounds found in garlic have been identified as effective in destroying and eradicating brain cancer cells. Number 2. For hip osteoarthritis. Women whose diets were rich in allium vegetables had lower levels of osteoarthritis. Number 3. For heart protection. Diol trisulfide, a component of garlic oil, helps protect the heart during cardiac surgery and after a heart attack. Number 4. For high cholesterol and high blood pressure. The garlic extract supplements reduced high cholesterol levels, and also blood pressure in the patients with hypertension. Number 5. For prostate cancer. Allium vegetables, especially garlic intake, are related to a decreased risk of prostate cancer. Number 6. Garlic and the common cold. Prophylactic use of garlic may decrease the frequency of colds in adults, but has no effect on duration of symptoms. Prophylactic use means using it regularly to prevent disease. Some research to suggest that raw garlic has the most benefits. Other studies have looked at overall allium intake, both raw and cooked, and have found benefits. Therefore, you can enjoy garlic in a variety of ways to reap its advantages. Thanks for watching. For prompt update and videos on health and wellness, like and subscribe to my channel.